Here I'm all set to make my frying pan cake. The pan is getting hot and I have melted butter on it, and here is my cake mix. So all set to go. So here is it. I'm pouring the batter. See how fine it is. Just pouring the spread, and it has to be well and good. So here I've put it in the frying pan and just covering it. Look, it looks well set, and now I have to cover it and wait it for getting totally cooked. Let's see. Just wanted to show you all how fluffy the cake is. It's a cold weather outside and just perfect for making my cake. There are light flurries and there's long weekend coming in for family day. So I suppose this is the best time to cook at home with your and enjoy your food with your friends and family. So my cake is almost ready and I have to make the cream for it, and I've placed a small piece of dark chocolate, and I will allow it to melt slowly, the chocolate to melt slowly over the cake, and then I'll let it cool down and decorate it with the cream. So here is my cake, and as I told you, look at the melted chocolate over it, and I have just decorated it with some strawberry jam, and I have the pineapple core. Pineapple core is very healthy for you, and now I will be decorating it with melted dark chocolate. It is also very good for you and very good for your heart. So here is my cake all ready, and I have just put the melted dark chocolate on it and with some almonds coated in dark chocolate. It is very healthy, good for your heart, and it is yummy too. So let's just go and eat it up. Pineapple core is again very healthy as it has bromelain and it has a lot of benefits for you. So this cake is healthy, it is made at home, and definitely with dark chocolate, with almonds, and with a combination of pineapple core, it's going to be just the right cake made at home for you and your family.